Students, today we'll study about the increase in demand and decrease in demand. Increase in demand and decrease in demand is called when we have change in demand owing to the change in other factors other than price of the commodity. In that case, what happens that the demand curve may shift upward or backward from the existing place. That is called if it goes upward, that's called the extension of demand, increase of demand, and when it comes downward, that is called the decrease in demand. How it goes, let's see. First, increase in demand. We'll see how increase in demand seen to us. Suppose the price of commodity X and the quantity of commodity X. The price of commodity X is 10 rupees and quantity demanded is 30 rupees. Now, the quantity demanded shift to 20 and the price, this remains the same because price is not changing, the other factors are changing. Okay, now we see the graph. It goes like this. This is price of the commodity 0, 10, 20. This is the quantity of commodity 10, 20, 30. Now what we have seen that earlier it was here, now it is here. Earlier it was going like this, now it is going like this. So this shift from this line, this demand curve shift from this place to this place. This is called decrease in demand. What we have seen as the example, demand is decreased from 30 to 20. So this is called the decrease in demand. In this case, the demand curve shifts backward. This is actually the graph for decrease in demand. What are the causes of decrease in demand? These are when income of the consumer falls. When we have decrease in demand, when the income of consumer falls, when price of substitute goods decreases, when the price of complementary goods increases, when taste and preference of the consumer shift against the commodity, and when availability of commodities expected to rise in the near future. These are the reasons why we see the decrease in demand. All other functions, demand functions changes. Now, how the increase in demand can be seen. We'll take the same example. Price of X 10 rupees, quantity of X, it was earlier 20, now it is 30. So when we see it on the graph, it will go in this way: 0, 10, 20, 10, 20, 30. Earlier this was on this point, now it is on this point. You can see that the demand curve which was here, now it is here. So this is called the increase in demand. And why increase in demand take place? When consumers' income increases, when price of substitute good increases, when the price of complementary goods falls, when taste and preferences of the consumer shifts in favor of commodity, when availability of the commodity is expected to reduce in the near future. So all the demand functions move positively, then we see the increase in demand. Now we see cross price effect. Cross price effect is the price effect of related goods. It is the price effect of related goods. Related goods means the substitute goods and the complementary goods. These are of two categories. One, substitute goods, and second, complementary goods. What are the substitute goods? These are the goods we can substitute the commodity, and the complementary goods are the goods which ask us to use the commodity what we are studying. So how the effect of these goods can be seen on the commodity? When we talk about the substitute goods can substitute our main commodity that we are studying. So what is the effect of substitute goods? Let's consider the example of tea and coffee. Both are the substitute goods. So what we see, if the price of coffee increases, if price of coffee increases, then what we see? Increase in the demand of tea. And when the price of coffee decreases, what we see? Decrease in the demand of tea. So this is the effect of substitute goods. It can be seen on the graph, as you have seen the graph previously. The increase of demand and decrease of demand can be seen on in the same way. Now we talk about the complementary goods. The effect of complementary goods, just like if we talk about the ink and the fountain pen. When the price of fountain pen increases, what happened? Demand of ink decreases. When price of fountain pen decreases, what we see? Demand of ink increases. This is the effect of the related goods on the income, on the commodity. It is called the cross price effect because the price which is changing is not of the same commodity, it is of the other commodity which is related to that commodity. So this is how the demand changes and demand got affected by the price of other commodities. Now we will study the relation between income and demand and the other relations in the next video. Thank you.